Hopeson for GC News. Meba Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot and qua Eramede Bremo. And so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We had a video for free be upload when the first person was a becana a video. A fee we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee share or for so now when you be here now and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoano. Afi yembura ye someone abetoye ponoso yenti eye nkomo ya ekoso yi momenti sa reporti momenti
so ye MPP ni mapa na wo koto se MPP for na se MPP ni any NDC ni eko a bo MPP ni no na yembu NDC ni no na yembu ye. We are giving the EC 1 week. 1 week. 1 week, 7 days. The EC must come and declare our candidate as the winner of the Agyapong election. If the NDC led by Mahama Agyarko will not be reasonable, no matter as you say, Agyapong, based on all the evidence available, the winner, no more margin, somebody to trust them, they will continue. They are not going to allow the EC to collect. Asumbia di asumbia mu nyebi wo parliament. The IGP ayena against obeye hwehan na nkrofoi akosua di nkwasiasam etutuasam a. We will continue to demonstrate.
Ablekuma North. Ade ekosu wa Ablekuma North eno na meni madi. Edi hu nkoma wa hase. Ablekuma North. Per constitution a yede kokoto aba no. Yesi ye ni recollection, ye ni hu ahwan. The best way ya ye betimi handle Ablekuma issues ene si ye beko for re-election. Se we bra Ablekuma North a ekua free year aya ne billboard. Dase. NDC parliamentary candidate aya ne billboard. Das you jimu France na mama yi ne enko papa de time ko akua free ye billboard si nchen wo das say oda Ablekuma North fofo ase so mama na winie ena abena ayi NDC parliamentary candidate kwani din di say mode na ayi to so amehu onu so gina fa say onu so awini enti say the speaker apply common sense for parliament enti Ghana court so yentimi apply common sense ni bi. Because they are Drew no, and ya dear see your fantia kwa North NDC for winning ya did free woman semunwa parliamentary candidate no, and answer MP no at parliament never ya jumo. So whom do you see ye and not Dompreh woman do a jiri Obuasi East, Dama Central no mono. Ablekuma North dear may catch that Ablekuma. NDC executive say woman fight ya kwa pemi say one more last drop of blood your woman no just omunya bi kura ni omunya bi yakwa election Ghana for ejina woman na so said the atwam koda bia me ka say since 1992 e ka say the democracy never be adwuma no ka be me ka bi ye de kokro moti na kwa akoto aba the see 2024 election mu no e bi nsi Ghana ha say da e say le twasa na to Sana se every 4 years biano ye begina so de beto yaba se sana ye kono say yana se ye kono every 4 years we ye adwuma year Ghana for e be hye wanimunyam wo deceive Ghana for da Ghana for ye wadwen say wo be ha Ghana for dia ene ye ka hunu say wo problem pa wo challenge kese pa e be ha hwe billboard ni nie Rabna Austin Ono ne billboard sia. Thank you, Rabna Austin. I am grateful. Akuya. Oh, edi medio name ye. Okay, odi ambo akuya fiye. Ono so dia na si ho no no so wa hu. Dia kwaso Ablekuma North. Because there's nowhere Rabna betena ho no mo say sit no. Yemfama MPP da. E wo bra wonim se MPP anwini. Ewo bra pin sheet no kakra mutimi quality ye no onu na lead. There's no way. Yeah, this time around NDC Ablekuma North constituency enra ma di kasa mo so no mo Ablekuma na mu ni pin sheet na mo pin sheet we. Wo de yes ba kakra mutimi quality ye no na NDC lead madam akua free so na awi ni ya wodia but senyo na awi ni ya the fact say no Dompreh lusu ya wote parliament doesn't mean say ablekuma not ba ya wodia the fact say Obuasi East NDC lead ya Jeffrey wo musan doesn't mean say madam akua free ablekuma not ba ya wodia the fact say it be bright awi ni ya chinchim ni nsa akoye court nsensem ama kire say obiti parliament doesn't mean say ablekuma not ya wodia na sa city we no Ghana fo nyina ni de akire ene ebe konkon ho da ho no mu sei ya ene ebe wo ho no makonkon na da ho no mu sei ya say ne ablekuma not no omunya rep omunya na musini e wo parliament se court e wo Ghana ha high court e wo enkna ha no no say the only way out solution on betimi dia a resolve ablekuma issues ne dia ene ne ablekuma omunya yi because recollection electoral commission no ene ne nkof electoral commission esa pin sheet no or friend returning officers no various polling stations na wo momra di ya fa pin sheet we say ya na ya di ato wo no mo bibia wo so bia no ya hwe eya wo na wo sign ye eya wo handwriting eya wo na wo ye presiding officer ba kwa wo ba ya say returning officer ba kwa wo ba ya say the signature but anyema na ya twere wo so no enye wo noa and then that pin sheet no say ya de ka ho a MPP ni na wini MPP ni maame no akua friye awini sa pin sheet no say ya de ka ho a so far do ma quality a akua friye na and then that same pin sheet no so no a mo de ka ho no akua friye awini no enipa no na oye EC official no say figures na e wo so no onim ba bi e free eti do no tena wa no mo na abato no no hwe so electoral commission wo nipa na wo yi no ma ne kwata that police station wa no no ono no e ka kira wo se figure wo so no onim ba bi efiri na sa won so se chinchina wo de beka ho no wa declare akua firi ye wi na de a o ene ablekuma de an sasafo ho 4 years o ma nya MP wo parliament sabe ablekuma fo o ablekuma not se electoral commission be ko ne de a o mo nchen safo no mo so ye Ghana fo no mo ye nipa ni bi hwe Frank Anno Dompreh ko gina ho wo incite MPP for against NDC for Ghana ha member of parliament and then this time no me hunu se madam no Victoria Emefa where sibia o use the ma wa no Dompreh bia no na wo deserve those words ya a free madam no hwanu na ebaye no because usubane wa brabo no wo niema na wo kasaye no kora no wo mo to abade ma wo e wo nsa wo madu agi no no wonder say ye call election no Dompreh wo lusu ye no wonder say Anno Dompreh wo lusu ya wo di bukata katashi e na afem a wo de te parliament and then nyina mu no and na wo gina bonte ka kire MPP for say se wo twam ni MPP ni ene NDC ni eko a ko boa MPP ni no na wo mo pese he said the last time MP Ben kan ye wo parliament Imanu Amabu Annan say ya Goja governance na wo se mo ye ne ye se ye bebo mu a ye bebo mu na se Anno Dompreh sa na wo de bade a ene ne parliament wo mo de 137 kro mo bo mu ne he se ya mo ye 88 wo gina ho incite se wo tonkra akwade ama honorable Mahama Yarga any majority for say omo prepare omo for the west because omo hu say omo lose hwe omo hu say omo no ti a say opposition no omo tie no boni a omo di Ghana any said omo party na tetia pansam aduro no party na saye aduro no enya dia next 4-8 years no abem omo bebe bie enti don be ya ne say omo be saye ade member of parliament ya enipa bibini nipa dasani ensa wo madu agiri ahimfu wom teacher fo wom nurses fo wom asofo wom ato santen na makoto abane ade ama no Dompreh so represent mo na ni tiri mu adwen nyina ya adwen fin adwen bone kwase asem member of parliament ejina abonten incite MPP for against NDC for ejina abonten ka say parliament one mo na ye wo no ye ne NDC for e de be fe so ye no mu de be huru so ye nkwasasem bi e be di bia ye be di member of parliament and then obajina hono mo na so to fo no de mawa na de ye kye ne ye ni abere ye ho ne ye condemn so oba no ekọ overreact ye Uje mama video no another video no mfa na me nkona memra na ya ka honorable Dompreh honorable akasa fi won kasa yie honorable onnim se ogina baabi enti wo ya de onye ne ho so ye honorable on respect ne ho na omuso mo wache nso ade according that regarding according that respect no
Now we are MPP ni mapa. Now we got to say MPP for, and now say MPP ni any NDC ni ekwa. Boa MPP ni no na yempu NDC ni. We are giving the EC 1 week. 1 week, 7 days. The EC must come and declare our candidate as the winner of the presidential election. If the NDC led by Mahama Agyarko will not be reasonable, no matter as you say, based on all the evidence available, the winner, no more margin somebody to trust them, they will continue. They are not going to allow the EC to collect. The IGP against Obey Shahai na Nkofwe Akofwe di Nkosiasam someone. We will continue to demonstrate. Now we are MPP ni mapa. Now we got to say MPP for, and now say MPP ni any NDC ni ekwa. Boa MPP ni no na yempu NDC ni. We are giving the EC 1 week. 1 week, 7 days. The EC must come and declare our candidate as the winner of the presidential election. If the NDC led by Mahama Agyarko will not be reasonable, no matter as you say, based on all the evidence available, the winner, no more margin somebody to trust them, they will continue. They are not going to allow the EC to collect. The IGP against Obey Shahai na Nkofwe Akofwe di Nkosiasam someone. We will continue to demonstrate. Now we are MPP ni mapa. Now we got to say MPP for.
Sa ahantan so no mo de tena bam 8 years. E take Ghana for granted no. And one no mo de to opposition. Na ahantan and kosenka by this time President Mahama asori atie ya. Was so ya thank you to yi. And kadian ka ya expect MPP for say MPP mu leadership. Any more MPs fiano mu go parliament no. And ka mo sori anka ma hyam ho na anka mu gu basim. Na mo kwa all the 16 regions na mo pagana fuachew because hantan sunu a ebe wura wo musa so omaye god omaye Ghana nyankopon san MPP for hu wo mo ho because what they think in their mind they say unya wealth na say unya sika wo mo maka nyina no wo betimi aduom so tesesa bia agimifo ne moafo sa hantan no a wo mo di nya 38% sa hantan no a wo mo di go parliament 88 seat no sa hantan no wo mo di better opposition a che because omunsu enyansa efamfiri mu say sa Ghana no sa hantan wa say was say NDC for some better akoso edi nkwasi asem a ene yensu ye be kire majority ni Mahama Agyarko say yensu ye no mo be face wo parliament wono mo Anno Dompreh o constituency so Mahamadu Bawumia say kwana ko pagya enkonwa se mu be di nkwasi asem e wo parliament sana wo constituency sana mo hwe okwan wo parliament enuntia sa hantai wei sa suban wei Emrashebedwafo MPP Emrashebedwafo enuti na mufri 169 2016 2017 I drop it by 137 I drop it to 88 because you people don't learn montrance is critical thinkers na montrance na mununu mu say mo suban ni dia mo ya no Ghana fo achi wa de Ghana fo ye tan Ghana fo mbe ye chirisa ade a wose mo montrance mu hunu ni say dia mama ni magu ase aside se mo belu tu wo man ni wi a wo man no e bo wo man ne kro no no mo suban ni mabra bo na mo kasaye enu enti ena mo go parliament 88 seats. Dia was a MP na make us say we MPP ni a Anno Dompreh on say supporters go on ye ebo say supporters no mumisa Anno Dompreh ni MPP party mo party leadership say e ye dana madu san pempenso we ya mo ko ablekuma north city ho mumisa mo party mpanimfo say adenti ne enguase de nje sa atoye. These are the questions, sir. And what's the movie some penny for?
All that MPP a year or more year before the election, during the election, and after the election is to provoke. Until catcher say they have nothing to lose. The other formula on Stravia say a card they say you went into Manco and Cadebia near Grassafo. Now it's any Saya Grossa a cow moncono, na Ghana. Adania butu na she, and it's another way to divert Ghana for attention from the good things that are happening under John Dramani Mahama NDC government. Now any date you saying and February 6 which na nebo so me pe Mahama so from Muswaye na me nebe review I wa say na wo Ghana population wo kita 38%. Who kuta 38%? Obi kuta 57% and more. Wo momu domkumano. Wo ko ka kire won crofo se so ko to se MPP ni NDC ni kwa muntu NDC ni suna mommo no. Wo the 38%. Wo 38% wo momu insight won crofo. Se muntu NDC for so. Na momono na nkobeka se member of parliament obi a wo shemra said the constitution is just also you obi a na adwemo do no nim nyansa kra no yenim se Ghana die crime so court will be commit crime what you prevent the crime abeti crime so ko will be committing murder won supporting the parliament and committee murder. Say ye inkamnashe bedwani woni nyansa. Kadobeka se okoto sempo NDC fuo bi mpa famnasho mo nsem no mo bo MPP ni a mo nchene mfa no koma police for ana mo free police for. These are the same people few months ago when you talk about the electoral commission go to court. When you talk about anything about the electoral commission, yama wo yam first we almost go to court. And as a minority chief whip, inside MPP for say so to say MPP ni NDC ne kwa muntu munu so na momono. Na sase ma wakan na nama ye befa na gra do be hu the trickling effect ebeba in the coming days, in the coming months, because we still have some constituency electoral issues to settle, and it's not only Ablikumanov. Akwetia oho, Techiman South oho, Ahafuano South anata Ahafuano North, and also oho, Obuase oho. There were few of them to settle. And tine say MPP chief whip. It me making start statement. Me no kase we making start statement. I was a jamo. Omuli da Afenyo Markins MPP caucus in parliament. MPP as a political party. Police invite issue any statement. Issue any statement be condemning. It means someone endorse it. The hypocrite IGP Dampare wate enso wonte eno ana Dampare akotena kumase se kotoko fan sa brante Yakopon fan crancy me menya kotoko fan but me hwa brante ni video se ba the we was tu no ho e de ma eye football club ko Asante kotoko abeka se free so na nipa bonifo bi etime di na wusa na eya na Dampare akotena ni fie esu the same Dampare under his leadership as IGP wama kwama police for kum innocent Ghanaians than any other, not even a military era. And a Dampare na kwakotena brante and ebusu afie esu because cameras in so esini trase. So you same person ordering for the killing of innocent Ghanaians. Dampare hu wate Frankana Dompreh statement we onko Dampare twen say ampanyampa MPP fo bekwakoto agu NDC ni so no mabu na pra no akuno na fei wabeka cha so obete special force be make sure say ebebo MPP for ni NDC for ho ban. Dampare is waiting. And I am expecting Speaker of Parliament minim say a member of Parliament ni suba oda na di outside Parliament no falling within the disciplinary measures and as a limiter Speaker what dia minim ba minimum no ma dwen kire me say Speaker ewo because Speaker me ati ase say so a member of Parliament na ne o che wo say wo ye galamsi a obeyi wase akunya it means usunu ban a obeda na di outside Parliament nyina no e ka ho bi
but just obi petition Speaker
yo any ye petition no
ba say we intimi tran ka say petition
me pa cho
so ye no official
me pa cho na no abranti asem o kan ye no boma wo one petition Speaker obi petition Speaker social media na nam so de bia no mo so mo nam hobi and the same way o mo so nam hobi ya so pass ma ka che nyame a e na ka gum from am
ba o just so official
and ya ka gum from am ya ka agum from am say asem a MPP a minority chief whip Frankana Dompreh inciting the party members against NDC. The opposition no more inciting 38% opposition inciting the members against 57 majority in Ghana. Now we will get there. A time will come. Somebody like Frankana Dompreh own your opportunity to create platform so no wakasa. Now wakasa no we microphone ekita no. Channel 1 TV. A gabby asare otchere darko TV station. Any microphone okita and or the address and or they issue that threat. And inti and American Ghana for NDC for say nipa MPP ni wo yo boni a emfa nche no menya humobro so benya humobro ama nipa MPP ni de kanya humobro fa ama entontom a won si wusa ho na won twe umoja nya sa humobro fa ama sa entontom no so benya humobro ama nipa MPP ni no nya sa humobro no efa ma sebio jata oba bechewa we nya humobro na bre ho ase no wonwo it will make sense that so benya sympathy ni empathy di ama nipa MPP ni because MPP ni we said ye nipa sese nipa dasani adwen o ma ese huriye ebro mpom timu da ena mi no ka say okọ Ghana Education Service akwa bi hye omo friend Stephen Kweku Owusu ofri former chief of staff from Parikrom no free 2023 no mo fa na adwuma Ghana Education Service as a deputy director in charge of administration 2024 election ekoye no na odimun tenteman krofo na ye campaign ema MPP Bawumia no odimun tenteman no lobby kra say senka musuo ye Ghana photo aba ma MPP ma Bawumia be ye president enko kan krofo anka be lobby for ye education minister or position ene power sisan no wa mo anu din hye ho ukohwe 8-member committee na president Mahama asete so mo review education o ka ho bi na me very sure say president ni so me draw president Mahama ni NDC for attention and baby be MPP appointees will be ano bring them out wodia wodo mo ba na yi mpanyimfo asutire na mpanyimfo say aja party NDC party ni de so enkrofo bebre boae tinyo obi a na de na mu aba abontim obi hu to mo ye NDC for no mo de mo boae okokwa mu a so be it but bring them These are the same people and they destroy NDC government. When you give them opportunity to sit there, and then Professor Mills Professor Mills Momu Kwine a bit now for more than 1 year. Cocoa Board CEO Professor Mills and Sano. A bit now MMDCs, a bit now 6 months, 1 year. These same people and they destroy Professor Mills government. By the time when this realize now omoda them slow monegu abonting. And you don't give them that opportunity. MPP for buy no omoko a year can say hunting. Omu hwehwea every institution. Omu do a year ministry one more. Omu do omo hwena si form se krama or sniffy. Omu say NDC ni bi ubon ha. No ma hwehwea wana mo so a utwamu kra wo nan teke ka omutimi hwe wo nan teke ka ko ye NDC ni. Omu yi san krofoni nyina di firi ho. And now obi say education there ye nyane partisan. Ye nyane partisan they adentin na minister of education former minister edu ya say educhum. Adentin on aso to as a minister na do na Buhari na edu so edi aba. And when the catcher say we NDC MPP for omo minister of education eyi omo free Ghana education service now we install Ghana for omo kokotna ho no mo a partisan. And Krofo Shishem national security in Krofo Shishem munya very careful. Because ubenya adwempa edi amano ba onya adwempa pa emfa ma da. These are the people you need to go after them, mark them boot for boot, make sure what namu 8 good years we a Ghana ni 8 good years here run a shift 24-hour economy and can say ye juma 24 hours so we 8 hours opon no bi so abeyebi why 8 years pon no bi so ma beyebi as simple as ABC. Nana on a Cocoa Board where they just betum keke. Dr. Randy Abiswashe Juma say Minoka say and a report to Aba 2024 I tremono 2024 tremono for production say Ghana's 2024 cocoa export revenue crashes to $1.7 billion US, lowest in 15 years.
Ghana's
cocoa export cocoa yede kwa amano ne afibia koton no okofa 2024 MPP for last year in government no chese ahwefom aboka $1.7 billion when Mahama efi abam 2016 okofa 2016 Cocoa Board sika onyaye no syndicated loan no na eye $1.8 billion. Cocoa projection kra abani project here no abani exceed here to cover 2016-2017 cocoa season Ghana buying cocoa over 969,000 just 30,000 metric tons now 1 million. And this is it. Dr. Randy Abiswashe Juma say the say Americans won national security for akabum make sure say omo mdi cocoa first mase ekron eswobeti. Now me say in the coming days, in the coming months, the free fertilizer, all the incentives are now banning the boa cocoa for Emma cocoa timisum. They say the Cocoa Board, Ababeshe Minister of Food and Agriculture assay. And Tesha Honorable Erikopuku assay. So Equiafor can be rest assured say they are going to see a very remarkable changes in the cocoa, a Juma Omoya or Ghana. Nana, we cannot continue the way Ghana our cost for the past 8 years. Nana, enyo nwa. Set Mahama buying ababemu. Uchana bosumi. Yente skanda ba akopra. Die voma wo ebeka ye ekowi aseko nya dance bia. 1 month. For the past 8 years, this is the first month after 8 years say ate Ghana so mine. Natias mine na ban biti so na yente se obi awie obi. Kankana proni dream be a koso yenti bida. Now ka hard asem. When him say hard village. Professor Mills NAC Mahama ne supervisor mumusie. Senye NDC na win 2024 election anka hard village asasana kasa kwanka MPP aton. No ma ton wie kura but time omo ye hu na mana no mu se power asesa. So he dare not kasa hard village na kasa kra no enkomaton. Dr. Bawumia in opposition can say, Uko Jubilee House and your balance because a Christopher Muni no ho. And Tienfen Kremuni Bako, Nienfa a ye Christo ni Bako. Bawumia be a vice president. ne records any achievement ade otimi yede bua ye nuanom nkramofo se omo akire kom 30 days day and night no akire kom na afi oba be obebua ne chiriwia no oba ni chiriwia no na Bawumia kofa stolen rice haram aduane a wako wia Bawumia ko wia emo wonem ko wia ye Ghana ni bi otiti ne mowre mu akofa emo efra manone se odi ba fi aba beton na aban agemo ne de asi ɛhɔ so a confiscating na Bawumia for asuma so ko wiae ɛna de command kramofo ɔno ankasa ne kuromufo bagredam ye bieye ɛme nso yiri fa ɔmo no nko hu mo ba na akɔfa expired food ɛna de kokoma Bawumia records no okofa 2019 hajj ye nuanom kramofo tua musika but because of COVID intino o man tumi anko omo refund o musika ma omo no na menam no ka se bisika kam
omo tua ye na omo
tua na omo anko 2020 omo refund o musika ma omo no ebesi nam no ka se bisika kam 2018 na num kramofo ko Mecca ebi koda abonten Mecca Saudi Arabia no mo da foot bridge ase foot bridge they say a classic foot bridge ase e wono no mo da ba bia omunya ba bipa enna na Bawumia eye kramoni Mahama Kristoni NDC kramoni be ye president na vice president da Rollins ba bia na yesi national mosque kawukudi sasas yantam na da Rollins na de man kramofo and Akufo Addo Mahama the late as a vice president we kramoni take for ma musika the same shekaisi ko mu ne di sika no so mun fancy national mosque comment me asi the same John Dramani Mahama Kristoni na facilitate ye and making sure say the yesi national mosque the biggest ya said this school so aka ho e de ama mo John Dramani Mahama
e ho school ho
yes one sada na o masisi wa chiro nyina e school
oh okay
modern school pa and yesi de ama mo John Dramani Mahama and facilitate ye Mahama onye kramoni NDC kramoni be president wo muda Professor Mills and a Hajj be say under President Akufo Addo Mahama as a vice president we kramoni na e nuanom kramofo e ko Hajja omu sebi omu hatawiase se bese na entontom wi omo and a Professor Mills ba omu esi Hajj village Mahama ba no making sure that Tamale airport and 2016 omo call Mecca flight ni tui from Mecca Tamale straight no cry be Mecca since so before ha John Dramani Mahama dwuma ye no
from Tamale be
yes Bawumia kramoni Sheikh ICQ kramoni omo na omo da hard board no so nyina ye kramofo nko a na so no ne ye bo apo ye bon kramofo apo 75,000 Ghana cedis kramoni se okono akobon paye empire no okono nyina so obon paye o sa bon paye ma Ghana because obon paye na nyama ye manu a ye sita no tano ho na ma bia ni so na de no a Ghana nya so mfaso 75,750 million ena na Bawumia emiagie John Dramani Mahama baye economic policies cross oba be ro na nya nhase but there's so much na say hwe cost build up and yama wo mo ye na kra to se kronu wom nipa ba ku bia wo gino almost $1,000 and to we free hajj for omo ko akwatuko krono no wa say we free aban ho eninti ene over $5 million e Canada ho a obi anim Bawumia so ye mp oye kramoni ukobusa no a wo se omo na pezongo NDC Rollins and ma kwa ma ye dey say bi o Eid Fitr ne Eid Adha ye mo holiday Rollins MPP ba mu Professor Frimpong Boateng Minister Sabre Science o say enkramofo ye dede dodo sawo kan say omo kwa akoye sala dia otia no o so omo ye dede dodo enti be omo nya no WhatsApp irade nyame omu jaya sum enti be ya omonya ne WhatsApp time ne ba beso a no ma send se WhatsApp voice note a no ma send dia ma omo members na omo yi no mo bi etum no Allahu Akbar oso omu ye de omu jaya sum and the MPP na MPP for nya hu hwe na by the time one
okay
the competent trusted tested Minister for Finance, Ato Forson, within the first budget statement, Babetuja. Ebesha say a Juma, give herself up to a year June. Now you see the kind of changes are Ghana for Behunu. Now, no MPP for strategy said they want to distract Ghana for attention from the good things that ever happen, I shall say happen in the government. And so always be they want to create drama, controversy in parliament because Omunim say Ghana for no per controversies and they want to create controversies. It's about time they should start beating them in parliament. Nano will beat in parliament. Papa windscreens. Nana away. What them?
Oma jelino.
What them? Yache no adechi ya ni jelino. What them? Yamfano kura nkwanko na dream say nipa na dream ka na sa dream ka. What them? Na a member of parliament say nipa ni anto abama no. Na a member of parliament ya to abama ne sell on my property. No I catch him say that person doesn't deserve to be punished. We shouldn't suspend that person. What are you talking about?
Okay.
Yo, waiting for waiting and summer abeto. Yep, so make out say so we can subscribe to channel idea but more than say over subscribe. Now feel well like video give us a thumbs up and share my offer for so now when you be here sunset had latest and hot news and kwa era me de bravo. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e comment box ni mu. Mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.